Teesta, the river we have forgotten. It still remains as a scar on Bangladesh's diplomatic policy. Today we will discuss how Bangladesh should deal Teesta River water crisis with India. Bangladesh should deal with the Teesta River water crisis through a mix of diplomatic negotiation, regional cooperation, and domestic water management reforms. The dispute with India remains unresolved, but Bangladesh can strengthen its position by pursuing joint basin management, diversifying irrigation resources, and leveraging international frameworks for transboundary water sharing. Let's have a look on the background of the Teesta dispute. The river itself is 414 kilometers, originating from the Jimu Glacier in Sikkim, flowing through West Bengal before entering Bangladesh. It's very crucial for irrigation in northern Bangladesh, supporting millions of farmers. But the problem for Bangladesh is India's upstream usage reduces dry season flow into Bangladesh, leaving farmers of Bangladesh with water shortages. But the status quo is, unlike the 1996 Ganges Treaty, no formal Teesta agreement exists. A draft deal was prepared in 2011 but stalled due to political opposition in West Bengal. Bangladesh must strengthen bilateral negotiations. Bangladesh should revive 2011 draft agreement by engaging both New Delhi and West Bengal stakeholders, highlighting mutual benefits. Joint flood control, irrigation efficiency, and hydropower potential should be highlighted. Regional and international cooperation. Bangladesh should try to leverage SAARC or BIMSTEC platforms for broader water sharing dialogues. Bangladesh should seek technical mediation from neutral international organizations. Example is United Nations Watercourses Convention principles. Bangladesh should try to promote basin-wide management instead of piecemeal agreements. Let's have a look on the domestic water management. Bangladesh should invest in water-saving irrigation, such as drip irrigation, canal lining, etc. Bangladesh should try to develop alternative water resources, such as rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, etc. Bangladesh should try to expand Teesta Barrage project with modern canals and reservoirs to store monsoon surplus. Let's have a look on the strategic diplomacy. Bangladesh should try to link water talks with trade and energy cooperation to create incentives for India. Bangladesh should engage civil society and farmers groups in both countries to build grassroots support. Bangladesh should frame the issue as climate resilience, since Himalayan glaciers are shrinking and both nations face long-term risks. So if the efforts are failed, remember the risks associated. There will be agricultural losses in northern Bangladesh. There will be increased rural poverty and migration, strained bilateral ties with India, affecting trade and security cooperation. So it's the perfect time that the government must have a coordinated try to resolve the situation before getting worse. Thanks for watching. Stay with us.